Thank you, Jerome. Now, for anyone who says high school students can't effectively balance sport and academics, they've never met Mozane Sutherland. As we'll hear in this report, the Camperdown High School rising star has mastered the art of time management to achieve success.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us chat to this year's Digicel Rising Star.
It's unlikely that Mozane Sutherland had set out to debunk the common refrain that students can't balance sport and academics. But that's exactly what the Camperdown footballer is doing. In fact, this rising star is doing more than just balancing sport and academics.
Girl, as my love grows stronger each day. Singing me.
Singing his own song and charting his own path, Sutherland knows how to balance the books with singing and playing in the S.A. Manning Cup for Camperdown.
I'm always a student first. Book comes first, education is first, education is key. And now I have 2 subjects and I'm now doing more, six subjects now. So as I said before, singing is singing, football is football, and school is school. But school is always first. So whenever it's crunch time for the books, it's always that time. I won't put aside school for football and put aside school for singing. It's always school, singing, or football. School, football, or singing.
Another one of the common misconceptions about student athletes is that they don't have the ability to handle success. But Sutherland says he has no such issues handling his newfound fame.
They're still reacting to me as the same person because I don't drop anybody. As I said, I'm still humble, right? Money won't change me. I'll still be the same person. So the reaction from my classmates or schoolmates, teaching staff, whatever, it's still the same. I'm still the same Mozane Sutherland you see right here.
Sutherland's winning mentality has already helped him lift 1 title this year, and perhaps is the reason he's still hoping his team can make the second round of the Manning Cup despite sitting 4th in their group, 2 points behind 3rd placed Hydel. A 4-1 win over Kingston High in their most recent match on Friday gives added hope.
We started the pre-season very well and we came into the season not what we wanted. The expectations were set, but unfortunately they were not met. So, that's that. But I think we still have a chance to push through.
The 17-year-old wants to go straight to the top in his music career as well.
Okay, so now that I've won, from here, it's just to produce more music. More music, and one day to become international, to become an international artist, because my type of music, it doesn't really sell here, so I want to excel, to be bigger, to be great.
Change for me.
Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.